Join me in an urgent challenge as I strive to enhance my English communication skills in just 1 week using these simple yet powerful tips. Effective communication is the answer to unlocking your full potential personally and professionally. Whether aiming for your dream job, seeking new friendships, or simply expressing yourself more confidently, fluent English speaking can open doors to endless opportunities. We all need to communicate effectively to succeed, but the fear of being misunderstood or judged holds us back. That's why I'm here to share some practical and powerful tips that are manageable and can boost your English communication skills fast. In today's rapidly globalizing world, communicating in English is not just a luxury, but a necessity. It's the language of international business, education, and entertainment. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you must be able to express yourself confidently and clearly in English. So let's dive in and explore some fantastic benefits of effective English communication. Imagine expressing yourself effortlessly without even struggling to find the right words or even worrying about grammatical errors. Imagine you can easily connect with people worldwide, negotiate a business deal, or give a compelling presentation. For instance, you could confidently order a meal in a restaurant, discuss a complex project at work, or give a speech at a conference. That's what effective English communication can do for you. It's what we will focus on today. Are you ready to take your English communication skills to the next level? Then let's get started. Many of us struggle to communicate in English, and that's due to a lack of confidence, limited vocabulary, or complex grammar. We have all been there, stuck in a conversation, unable to find the right words, or worse, feeling embarrassed about accent or pronunciation. You are not alone if you're tired of feeling nervous or self-conscious about speaking English. Let's tackle these challenges face to face. The first one is lack of confidence. Lack of confidence is a significant obstacle that holds many of us back from speaking English fluently. We are afraid of making mistakes, being judged, or being rejected. But the truth is, the only way to build confidence is to face your fears head on and start speaking. Overcoming this fear is not just a step towards fluency, but a powerful tool that can empower you in all aspects of your life. Imagine the sense of empowerment you will feel when you conquer this fear and confidently express yourself in English. Imagine that. This would be lovely. It is the inspiration that will fuel your journey to fluency. Another common challenge many face is limited vocabulary. You might know the basics, but need help expressing complex ideas or nuanced thoughts. That's why expanding your vocabulary is essential to communicating effectively in English. Complex grammar is another hurdle many of us face. Verb tenses, conditionals, and modals can be daunting. But with the right approach, you can master them quickly. So which one of these are holding you back from speaking English fluently? Is it fear, lack of practice, or something else? Anyway, whatever it is, we will tackle the matter and explore some practical tips to overcome these common challenges. The good news is that improving your English communication skills is easier than you think. With the right mindset and strategies, you can start speaking confidently and fluently in no time. The joy of learning new language and the sense of achievement you see yourself progress will inspire and excite you on your language learning journey. Imagine the thrill of mastering a new language and pride you will feel as you see yourself becoming more fluent and confident in English. The excitement and pride will keep you motivated on your journey to fluency. If this video is adding value to you, it would be nice for you to give me the like button, because this will help YouTube recommend this video to others. Now it is your turn. Thank you so much for the like, and let's get back to the video. So now I will share some practical tips to overcome these challenges we mentioned earlier. One of the most effective ways to improve your English communication skills is to practice with native speakers. There are so many ways you can do this. You find a language, you exchange partner, and then you join online communities or take a course with a native speaker teacher. The key is to find someone who can correct your mistakes. That's the key. And also provide feedback and help you learn from them. Another influential way to boost your English communication skills is to use language apps. So many amazing apps can help you learn new vocabulary, practice grammar, and even improve your pronunciation. Daily conversations are also a great way to improve your English communication skills. But you have to start small by chatting with, shopkeepers, servers, neighbors, parents at your children's school if you have children, or even you make friends generally, or colleagues. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Another way you can also improve your English speaking is watch TV shows with subtitles and English movies. Reading English books and listening to podcasts can also enhance your listening and comprehension skills. Another way is using flashcards to learn new vocabulary, creating a language journal to track your progress, and setting attainable goals also help you stay motivated and focused. These goals will give you a clear direction and a sense of accomplishment as you tick them off individually, keeping you determined and focused on your language learning journey. The key is to find a combination of methods that will work for you and stick to them consistently. Start by overcoming your fears of speaking English. Focus on expanding your vocabulary. And finally, master the complex grammar. Remember, improving your English communication skills takes time, effort, and practice, but with the right mindset, you can achieve anything. I want to share a powerful story that illustrates the impact of practical English communication skills. A friend of mine, let's call him Dennis for the sake of this video, struggled to find a job due to his limited English skills. He was frustrated, demotivated, and felt like giving up. But then he decided to take matters into his own hands. He started practicing with native speakers, using language apps, and engaging in daily conversations. Within a few months, he landed his dream job and transformed his life. He's now a successful business owner, traveling the world and communicating confidently in English. His story is a testament to the power of practical English communication skills. It's not just about speaking a language. It's about unlocking your full potential, building significant relationships, and achieving your goals. So, what's the takeaway from today's video? Remember, improving your English communication skills takes consistent practice, a positive mindset, and strategies. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Take calculated risk and shove yourself out of your comfort zone. You will see significant improvements in your speaking skills with time and effort. Most importantly, stay committed to your goals and you will speak English fluently in no time. This commitment will keep you focused and determined on your journey to fluency. I hope you found this practical tips helpful. If you did, please like this video, share your tips in the comments below, and subscribe for more videos. To learn more about language learning content, I recommend you watch this video on how to survive with no English in foreign countries. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the following video.
Seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea.